here in Nikko. It's currently around 5:30 a.m. and I'm up early in the morning as usual to go see the sunrise. As you can see, it's already kind of happening behind me. But the spot that I'm going to shoot the sunrise is, I forgot the name of it, but it's kind of a bridge that is next to Toshogu-Shrine, one of the most important landmarks in Nikko and also one of the most important landmarks in Japan. But there was this really beautiful kind of red bridge running across a river, and it kind of looked really nice with all of the autumn colors. And I thought it would be a cool spot to get some sunrise footage in. So it's around a 20-minute walk up the street, the main street kind of in the town. So yeah, I'm just gonna check that out, hopefully find some cool spots. Also the mountains kind of here behind me, like those seem really beautiful. Apparently last night when it was raining here, up on the mountains it was snowing, because you can see a little bit of a light powdered kind of snow cover on top, which looks pretty nice. So maybe I can get a shot of those as well. But yeah, otherwise just the bridge. And yeah, that's gonna be the plan for now. And then afterwards, hopefully Judy, if she can get up at 6:30, is gonna take the bus, and I'm gonna get on the bus halfway through, and then after that we can go to Oku-Nikko, the Oku-Nikko area, which would be cool, because we can check out a lot of those places that we weren't able to see yesterday. But yeah, for now, let's hurry up a little bit, because I think I'm a little bit late for sunrise. So let's go. It turns out it wasn't as nice of a photo spot as I imagined it to be. The bridge is really high, so it's not really close to the water, which makes it kind of hard to photograph. But it was still nice, and also got to fly my drone like over the forest and over the bridge and over the city a little bit. So that was cool. But yeah, right now I'm just heading back to a little bit back, so I can meet Judy on the bus. And yeah, it's good that we are leaving in around 10 minutes or so, because as you can see right now behind me, there's already kind of a decent amount of cars. There was already one bus before that, but we didn't manage to get on that one. But yeah, if you are staying here during autumn colors, so that's mid to late October, you want to make sure to leave from here as early as possible, because if you want to go to Oku-Nikko, because as you can see, this is already pretty bad, and it's like 6:25 or so in the morning, and there's already a shit ton of cars coming from all across Japan to see the autumn colors. The good thing though is if you leave early, you won't really have that much of a trouble coming back, as long as you come back reasonably early, so maybe like 2 or 3 p.m. You won't have as much trouble coming back, because the roads, as you can see, coming back are completely empty, because people stay until around those times, 3, 4, maybe 5 p.m. until sunset, and then they leave. And that's when going back you will have a massive traffic jam again. But yeah, looking forward to hopefully seeing the stuff that we haven't seen yesterday, because the weather looks really nice. Nothing clouds, so not zero chance of rain. It's also probably going to be a little bit warmer, no wind really. Should be really perfect. Alright, let's get on the bus and meet Judy.
れる雄大な華厳の滝をご堪能ください。
이곳은 이탈리아 영국 대사관 전장 기념공원 입구를 경유.
So we are right now So we went to the Kegon Falls, which is the third waterfall or third big waterfall in the Nikko area, and also one of the biggest waterfalls or most famous waterfalls in all of Japan. I think it was really beautiful. Like you can get free views from up top, but you can also pay 570 yen and take the elevator down, and they have kind of this observation platform on the lower deck, which is really beautiful. So you have like unobstructed views out on the waterfalls. That was pretty nice. And after that we raced to the bus stop, and right now we are at an observatory. I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna put it down below. Tembodai. Some kind of tembodai. And yeah, it's a kind of observatory that you can take free with the bus. It's like 20 minutes away from the city, and you get a view out on the lake and also on the surrounding mountains. It's kind of nice, and you can even see up to Mount Fuji from up here on a clear day. It's also cold. Well, it's also cold. But yeah, it's really nice. I was thinking about flying my drone, but it's a little bit windy, so I'm probably not going to do that. But I'm taking a time lapse so I can show you that in a second. And otherwise, yeah, we're just waiting for the bus because there's only one per hour. And the time we arrived, the next bus was like 5 minutes away, so we decided to take the one in 1 hour and 5 minutes. Or I decided. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
So much fun!
And after that we're gonna go back to the city, and there we're gonna go back to the area we're staying in, the main Nikko area. So we're gonna check out Toshogu-Shrine, the main shrine, and then make it back home. But yeah, for now, let's enjoy some beautiful views out over the lake.
Good.
Managed to get on the bus. We were just the last two people that wouldn't fit anymore. So yeah, unfortunately we are now waiting again for the bus, but we are first in the line, so we're gonna be able to get on pretty quickly. at least there's that. We are now at Toshogu-Shrine, and we, as usual, once per year you usually buy this, which is a lucky, I guess a lucky fortune. So you buy this and then it tells you your fortune. So G is gonna open hers and tell us her fortune. It's usually ranked like by very good, bad, like medium, stuff like that. So what did you get?
まあまあ悪くない60。まあまあ。
What is this?
This is not the best, but it's not so bad.
Okay, not the best, not the worst. What do I have?
旅行病気に注意してくださいとか書いてある。あ、悪くない悪くない。
What did I get?
You got better one.
Better than you?
Yeah.
Now, but yeah, we are in Toshogu and we already checked out one of the spots around here, and we're just gonna walk around a little bit more because this area is really huge. You can actually walk around for probably the entire day and explore everything. But since we don't have that much time and we don't want to really explore that much, we're just gonna walk around, check out some of the more viewable spots, and then yeah. But I hope I can show you some interesting parts of this. What did you get?
This year it's gonna be a little bit hard for me because everything is like, okay, if I get lost something, it's hard to find, or like if I travel, watch out your health or
Corona. So that was it for our time at Toshogu-Shrine and also for our time at Nikko. Right now we're just going to go back to the train station. It's around a 20-minute walk and then take the train back home. So it was a nice little easy one-day trip. Maybe not as easy as we were expecting it to be because of the autumn colors. A lot of people are here in both the shrine and also the general Oku-Nikko area. It almost makes you forget that there's corona around. But yeah, definitely recommend it to come here still. If you want to come during the autumn colors though, I would maybe recommend coming in during a weekday. That's probably better than going on a weekend as we did, because you know everybody's here on a weekend, but it's still going to be crowded even on a weekday, so just bear with that. Try to leave as early as possible if you want to go from either the Oku-Nikko area to the Oku-Nikko area, or vice versa, and try to leave earlier as well, because the roads get crowded in the evening as well. But yeah, hope you enjoyed these 2 days of traveling in Nikko. And yeah, as always, like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.